a lot of these flowers aren't in bloom, so it's hard to. I mean,
what they do is, because of pollinator garden, certain flowers are gonna bloom all year long, right through the season.
oh, that's great.
Yeah, so it's always gonna have something in bloom for the bees.
Well, a lot of thought and a lot of work went into it.
Almost definitely. Great use of the space.
Yeah.
This originally was the kitchen garden. So what had happened was the slope between things that came over here. That river's still got a lot of toxins in the soil. So it's really, even though we're only using it for educational purposes, it's not that we were taking the plant and stuff in the kitchen garden. So it really wasn't a good idea to have that there. Pollinator garden. Pollinator gardens are one that's
Bee balm.
another one. Another one that
More bee balm.
Well, they had replaced the soil at one point. That's a lot of these raised beds. This is the soil that we brought in. But again,
At some point,
right, the river could
Absolutely.
overflow.
very, very nice. And, isn't it great that they have strawberries? It's like they must be pollinators.
They are, and the other thing is a lot of the ground critters like them.
Oh, I'm sure they love them.
And at one point, this is a farm, and just in the valley alone, at one point, here were not.
It's about the dams were built at the same time.
Whoa. This river is huge. My phone won't let me zoom. I don't know why. It's huge. Man, you could go stop video. Didn't want video. All foamy. Look at the foam. Wow. Look at that foam. What is that stuff?
I'm guessing they don't like it very much.
These trees are underwater. That's where it meets. This is the canal. See, they cut it.
I thought they were stopped because they were playing with the car.
No, it ain't a car.
It wasn't a car.
At least they weren't playing.
There he is.
Well, that would have been fun, huh?
I guessed it was a skunk. I said it moves like a skunk, all jerky.
Well, we're more scared of them than they are of us. That's for damn sure, because they know what they got.
Oh no, they're more scared of us.
There he is.
Well,
Yeah, kind of.
okay.
That's the only defense they have. The only defense.
I suppose you're right.
That's the one that works.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh my God. Everyone's screaming as they run by, because that's a good thing to do. I need one of those things to hold your camera still. Do you think it'll spray me?
Are you coming?
Why is that skunk out in the middle of the daytime? That doesn't make any sense. Sally said, oh, it must be rabid. Look how close I am now. It's the second skunk I've ever interacted with in the wild. First one had a cup stuck on its head. It's digging like crazy. So watch Ed get sprayed by the skunk. Everyone else left, but Ed decided to stay and torture the skunk. Oh, he's slipping away. He's gonna go under that fence. Oh, there he goes. He has abilities to deal with all of this. I don't know what made the skunk come over to this side during the day. I don't think that's normal. He's so adorable. Oh, he's so cute. I guessed it. Tim said it was an electric car. And I said, wouldn't it be funny, Tim, if you were wrong and it was a skunk? Oops. So it's in there somewhere and I'm alone with it now.